Welcome to this demonstration of Syspro's projects and contracts, looking specifically at posting labor to a project using Syspro's mobile application. In this demonstration, I'll walk you through how to post labor to a project using Syspro's mobile application. Although I'll be operating on the desktop version, I'll follow the same workflow you'll see on the tablet, so you can fully visualize the true mobile experience. We will start with the landing page, and here you will see a clean, intuitive interface designed for ease of use on the go. The key elements include a personalized greeting, the number of active jobs, the total hours worked this week, as well as the date and time. This gives the operator a quick reference of their workload as well as progress. Recording labor against a project is simple. The engineer can simply click on Add Hours, enter the project reference number, select the hierarchy they wish to post their hours against. In this instance, I will choose Design, will enter the hours they've worked, and any notes or references applicable. And select Post. For engineers who are working on multiple projects at the same time, the Syspro mobile application makes it simple to record their time and their effort across multiple active projects simultaneously. Here is a list of 3 projects that the engineer is currently working on simultaneously. To add a new project to the list, simply click on New, enter the project reference number, the phase they're working on, and click Start. This then adds the project to the list of projects the engineer is simultaneously working on. To end effort on any of these projects and post that through, the engineer simply clicks on the job and goes Stop Selected. They enter any notes or references applicable and click Post. The next step to capturing labor against any project is this review and approval phase. This review screen gives immediate assurance that all submitted time has been properly recorded, approved, and allocated accurately to the correct project and task. This eliminates errors before they become issues down the line. To approve a line, simply click on the line so that it is highlighted and approve the selected. That is then approved and moved to the approved list. If you wish to edit any of the hours against any of the projects, click the Edit button, and you have the option to edit both the hierarchy that the time was posted against, as well as the time, any references and notes allocated to that project. To see how the mobile application integrates to Syspro, we will go into the Projects and Contracts query screen. Select the contract that the engineers were working on. Here we see multiple iterations of the same project build. We can click on a specific project build. Scroll down to the cost breakdown structure. And here we have a list of all the hierarchies. We can query this hierarchy. On this project breakdown, we have the expected costs as well as the actual costs. Any differences between the expected and actual costs come from instances where more material or labor was issued to the project than initially anticipated. That is then captured against the actual cost against the project. So you can measure and validate what you thought the project will cost you versus what it actually costed you. To drill into the detail of the posting, we will go into Operation Tracking. Under the Operation Tracking, I can see the actual time posted was 7.5 hours based on the planned time required, which was 200 hours. I can also see a difference between the planned start date, as well as the actual start date. Further drilling into this process will give me a list of all of the labor that was posted from the mobile application with the operator code, as well as the hours posted. This concludes my demonstration of how Syspro's mobile application can ensure fast, accurate, and fully integrated labor posting to a project. From capturing hours to reviewing allocations, the entire process is designed to keep your projects moving smoothly and your team working productively. Thank you very much.